Hello everyone. Now the topic is accounts of partnership firms. See this video fully and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Now let us see the topic. The first is we are going to do the fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating capital account method. Fluctuation means changes. Here the capital amount changes from year to year and only one account we are supposed to maintain, that is partner capital account. Partner capital account, which consists of debit side, left hand side we call it as a debit side and right hand side is known as a credit side. The first column is date, next particulars and the name of the partners. Now, with the help of this example, we will be doing the sum. The first example is prepare capital account of Ram and Ramesh when capitals are fluctuating. Now, capital as on 1st of January 2018, which shows the credit balance for Ram 5 lakh. So, Ram is an individual partner and Rahim is an individual partner. So, Ram brought the capital. So, the opening balance and Ram account, it shows under the credit side. So, you have to mention by balance brought down as a opening balance. By balance brought down. For Ram account, you have to write 5 lakhs. For Rahim account, you have to mention 4 lakhs. The date is 1st January 2018. The next says drawings. Ram has withdrawn the amount for his personal use. So, Ram is a receiver of the amount. So, to drawings. Amount is 70,000 for Ram and 40,000 for Rahim. The next is interest on drawings. So, for Ram and Rahim, interest on drawings is an expense. You know the expenses comes under the nominal account rule. So, all the expenses should be debited under the nominal account. So, interest on drawings should be debited under the nominal account. For Ram 2000 and for Rahim 1000. Next is share of profit. Share of profit comes under the income. It should be credited by share of profit. It is an income. So, it should be credited. So, what's the amount for Ram? 52,000 for Ram and for Rahim, for Ramesh, 40,000. Then next is interest on capital. It too is a Ram has brought the capital. So, Ram get the interest out of that capital. So, it is also income for Ram and Ramesh. So, interest on capital is a income. Income should be credited to interest on capital. For Ram 30,000. For Rahim 24,000. The next is salary. It's also an income. So, by salary. For Ram, the amount for Ram is 45,000. And Ramesh did not get any salary. So, it is nil. Next, commission. It is also income. Commission in the sense it is a commission received. It is understood. So, commission, it is also an income. All income should be credited under the nominal account rule. So, for Ram, nil, in the question as they have given like this, and for Rahim, 21,000. Now, we are going to total this. First, we are going to complete the Ram account. Then, we are going for Ramesh account. So, Ram account total is, it comes around 6,27,000. Similarly, we are totaling, whereas Ram account in debit side, it shows 70,000 plus 2,000, 72,000. From 2,67,000, you are deducting 72,000. Your net answer is 5,55,000. So what is this 5,55,000? We call that as a to balance carry down. You are carrying this amount. So we call it as a to balance carry down at the 31st December 2018. To balance carry down. Similarly for Ramesh. Ramesh, what is the total? 4,85,000 is the total. Under the debit side, 40,000 plus 1,000, 41,000. From 4,85,000, you are subtracting 41,000. So you will get 4,44,000. So that is to balance carry down, and you are writing the total on the same line. And next is this carry down balance should be brought down to the next year, that is 1st January 2019 by balance brought down. B/D means brought down. So for Ram, amount is 5,55,000. For Ramesh, amount is 4,44,000. So this we say as a fluctuating capital method. In fluctuating capital method, the amount changes year by year. So under this method, we are going to prepare only the capital account and we are going to transfer the account. The next we will be doing the profit and loss appropriation account, and in further the videos we will be doing about the partnership admission, retirement, all this. So thank you everybody to watching this video.